Magnesium. It's not just a name on the periodic table. It's a fundamental element woven into the very fabric of our universe. Look around you. Magnesium is everywhere, quietly playing a vital role in the grand cosmic dance. Earth's crust holds vast reserves of magnesium, making it the 8th most abundant element on our planet. But its importance goes far beyond sheer quantity. Magnesium is essential for life itself. It's a key player in over 300 biochemical reactions within our bodies. From the intricate workings of our cells to the vibrant ecosystems of coral reefs, magnesium is indispensable. It's the silent partner, ensuring the smooth operation of countless biological processes. Without magnesium, life as we know it would cease to exist. We need magnesium. Our bodies crave it. Luckily, nature provides an abundance of magnesium-rich foods to keep us going. Think leafy greens like spinach and kale, bursting with vitality. Almonds and cashews offer a tasty, magnesium-packed snack. Even dark chocolate, that guilty pleasure, can be a source of magnesium. Enjoy it in moderation, of course. A balanced diet rich in these foods ensures we get our daily dose of this vital mineral. And the benefits are plentiful. Magnesium helps regulate muscle and nerve function, keeping us moving and thinking clearly. It supports a healthy immune system, ready to fight off any invaders. And it contributes to strong bones, the scaffolding of our bodies. Where do we get all this amazing magnesium? The answer lies in the vast expanse of our oceans and the depths of the earth. Seawater, a rich brine of dissolved minerals, contains a substantial amount of magnesium. Extracting it is a fascinating process. First, we collect vast quantities of seawater in huge evaporation ponds. As the sun bakes down, the water slowly evaporates, leaving behind concentrated magnesium salts. These salts then undergo a series of chemical reactions, ultimately yielding pure magnesium metal. It's a testament to human ingenuity, transforming the ocean's bounty into a valuable resource. But the sea isn't our only source. Magnesium is also found in mineral deposits like dolomite and magnesite, remnants of ancient geological processes. These minerals are mined and processed, further contributing to our global magnesium supply. Section 4. Lightweight champion. Magnesium's physical prowess. Magnesium is remarkably light. In fact, it's the lightest structural metal, weighing in at about 2/3 the density of aluminum. But don't let its lightness fool you. Magnesium is no pushover. It possesses impressive strength when alloyed with other metals like aluminum, zinc, and manganese. These magnesium alloys are incredibly versatile, boasting an impressive strength-to-weight ratio. This unique combination of lightness and strength makes magnesium a highly sought-after material in various industries. It's the secret ingredient that allows us to build lighter, more fuel-efficient vehicles and aircraft. Section 5. Reaching for the stars. Industrial uses of magnesium. Magnesium's reach extends far beyond our planet. It's a critical component in aerospace engineering, where weight is a major concern. Every kilogram saved in a spacecraft translates to significant fuel savings and increased payload capacity. But its applications don't stop there. The automotive industry relies heavily on magnesium alloys to reduce vehicle weight, boosting fuel efficiency and reducing emissions. Lighter cars mean less fuel consumption and a smaller carbon footprint. The electronics industry also benefits from magnesium's unique properties. It's used in the production of laptops, mobile phones, and other electronic devices, making them lighter and more portable. Section 6. A flash of brilliance. Magnesium in our world. Magnesium isn't just about practicality and industrial applications. It also adds a touch of brilliance and wonder to our world. Remember those dazzling fireworks displays that light up the night sky? Magnesium plays a starring role. When heated, magnesium ignites with an intense white flame, creating those spectacular bursts of light and color. It's a pyrotechnic marvel, captivating audiences for centuries. And if you've ever used an old-school flashbulb camera, you've witnessed magnesium's photographic prowess firsthand. The bright flash that illuminated your subject was the result of a magnesium filament igniting, capturing a fleeting moment in time. Magnesium's story is far from over. As we delve deeper into the realms of green technology and sustainable solutions, magnesium is poised to play an even greater role in shaping our future.